Hi guys, thanks so much for clicking on this video, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on that button. So anyways, I thought I should do a flexi rod set, and I figured I should show you guys how I do it. I have smaller ones and then I have bigger ones. So I think we should just get right to it. Anyways, my hair is freshly washed, by the way. It's a bit damp, so I just want to put some leave-in conditioner and some oils, then I guess we can begin. The products that I'm using today, I'm using Megagrowth. They have really awesome products and they smell so good. They have a whole range actually. They have oils, they have hair lotions, they have leave-in conditioners. So in case you guys are looking for a new product to try out, this is quite nice. Plus I'll also be using Lotta Body. I haven't actually used it to style my hair before, but and by the way, I have a flu, so just in case I sound a bit off, I'm so sorry. Anyways, I think I'll just start with the leave-in conditioner. I'm just going to be applying it quickly. Then I haven't combed my hair. I never comb my hair after washing it, especially when I'm wearing a wash and go. I don't know if it's advisable, but I prefer combing my hair when I'm styling it. So it just helps me to have less breakage and stress. So that's a tip for you guys. Like this hair, I haven't actually combed it at all. I just washed it, then I fluffed it. That's all. Anyways, it smells nice. So, okay. I'm just going to section my hair so that it's easy for me to handle it. Oh, and by the way, for those guys who've been asking about the eyeshadow I'm currently using, this is the palette I have. It's quite cute. It kind of looks like a purse, right? Like a clutch bag or something. It has so many colors. I don't know if you guys can see. Then this side is matte and this side is a bit shimmery. They're going for 1800. In case you guys are interested, you can always holler at me, DM me. So even while I'm doing this, as much as I don't comb my hair like immediately after washing it and all, I try to still use the lock method, you know, where you put the leave-in conditioner first, then you go in with the oils, then you finish with a cream. So that's the method I'm going to be using for this hairstyle. Then I'm just going to comb as I go. I'm just going to pump a little bit. Oh, are you guys seeing that? It comes out as foam. Now, when you're doing this hairstyle, you can do it in two different ways. You can either roll your hair, then you just go like another method is laying the hair flat. So if you roll your hair, then you'll have curls that are smaller and tighter. But if you lay the hair flat on the flexi rod, then the curls will be a bit loose. Or I can even do flat on one side and then roll up the other side, just so that we can see the difference and compare. When you're laying the hair, you want to kind of go diagonally as opposed to just straight. I don't know if you're seeing what I'm doing. once you have your hair on the rod, you start twisting it. You twist it when you go. So I'm going to do the rest of my hair off camera just because it's at the back and I can't really show you guys. I just wanted you guys to see the methods that I use. The rolling method and the wrapping method. The wrapping method, I just lay my hair flat on the rod. The rolling one, I roll the hair on the rod. And the reason why I normally do it on damp hair is because I've actually tried this hairstyle before, but my hair was dry, so by the time I was removing the rods, it wasn't that defined. Yes, it was curly, but it didn't have enough definition because I have 4C type of hair. So if you have coarse hair, I would highly suggest that you do this hairstyle on damp hair. If not wet hair, damp hair, because I just find that you have more definition at the end of it all. So we're going to start with the red side. This is the side that we rolled up. Like I told you guys, most times I feel like it almost looks like Bantu knots. So like this. I prefer the loose curls, but let's see. So this is how the curls look. This is the side we rolled up and this is the side we wrapped. These are the curls I prefer. So after you finished oiling the hair, we're going to start separating the curls. But when you're separating them, you kind of have to separate where they're naturally parting, like so. Otherwise, you might end up tampering with the curls. Once you're done separating, this is how they look. Okay, I know most guys are gonna like this side only because they appear to be longer, and that's what happens. But anyways, this is how they look. I still haven't picked, so you get a comb and just start picking. What do you guys think? Do you prefer the left side or the right side? It might appear like there's no difference, but I feel like the left side is a bit more defined. This side has more volume, I guess. That's the difference I see. And that's all. For you to maintain the curls, you can sleep when you've wrapped it. You know, that method of wrapping. I don't know if you guys know that method. Anyways, you can wrap your hair so that you can maintain the curls for a longer time. Then when they start coming undone, you can always use bobby pins to style your hair or hair bands. Actually, I'm going to do a styling video, so you guys should also watch out for that. I think it's going to be my next video. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you're new, thank you so much and welcome to my channel. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.